There are spirits that whisper. There are spirits that teach. And then there is Belial, the force that commands. Belial is not an mentor. Belial is not comfort. Belial is a sovereign current that breaks systems, destroys illusions, and rebuilds power from the ashes. When Belial appears in your life, nothing remains the same. Belial is one of the oldest and most feared princes of the Infernal hierarchy. His name means without master, without a yoke. Hi, Master Daniel here from DDSERVICESWITCH. I am talking right now with you from a temple based here in Rio de Janeiro, in Brazil. Today, I'm gonna talk about Belial. Belial, he bows to no one, he kneels to nothing. His freedom in its raw, violent, unpolished state. Belial governs rebellion, sovereignty, independence, and the destruction of false structures. To call Belial is to call transformation by fire. How Belial really works? Belial does not hand your success. Belial forces you to become someone who cannot fail. He breaks fear, dependence, weakness, screws, illusions, toxic relationships, internal sabotage. He rebuilds discipline, strength, leadership, authority, clarity, masculine or feminine sovereignty, strategic thinking. Belial does not just change your life, he changes you. There is three faces of Belial, three main currents: the destroyer, tearing down everything that keeps you small; the judge, revealing you the truth about yourself and others; the king, rebuilding your identity, your power, your destiny. You don't work with Belial, you enter his command. Who should seek Belial? Belial works with warriors, entrepreneurs, leaders, individuals breaking generational cycles, generational misery, men awakening inner authority, women stepping into sovereignty, anyone rebuilding life from nothing. If you are weak, Belial will expose it. Belial will expose your weakness. If you are strong, Belial will make you unbreakable. Belial does not ask for faith, he asks for evolution. And once he rises in your life, the world you knew collapses. So the world you deserve can be built. That's deep. Belial does not give freedom. Belial activates the freedom that was always buried inside you. Once awakened, it can never be taken away again.